for those people who are replacing fog lights for the Mk7 GTI, just be very careful when you're purchasing the fog light from overseas, eBay or Aliexpress, because you want to make sure the plug that works. I'm learning a hard lesson. This is the OEM that came off the car. I just removed it from the bumper here. And see the plug right here? This is what plug that looks like. There's no wire out of this fog light. It's just the plug right here. And the harness is over here. This is the harness that goes into the fog light unit. However, the one I purchased from AliExpress has this guy. See this? This will not work. This is for retro. So if you don't have a fog light and you put in a fog light and then you're adding your own harness, this might work. But if you're putting this one into a stock GTI with a fog light, this will not work. So when you purchase, make sure that you're purchasing the right one. So this is obviously not gonna work. Hopefully I can either sell this or return it to the seller. That's it. Very easy job.